My friends, I've got a KIC little fridge that just bang and the smoke came out. So this is how it looks inside. So I'm going to open it and see if I can find the problem. It's raining outside and we have some gust winds up to 49 knots gusts today. So the weather forced me to work inside today. Okay guys, this is the panel that I want to take off, but first I want to clean it off nicely, because I don't think in 15 years more or less this fridge have ever cleaned up. Okay, so let me clean it up a little bit. Okay, let's remove the 4 screws, actually 3. Okay guys, what you are going to see is also the first time that I will see it. I never opened this part here. Look at the spider webs. So let me look. What I'm looking now for is a spider before I look for the problem. Okay guys, I think I'm going to vacuum it first and then we will look inside. I think the capacitor is what exploded. That's my guess. So I'm going to get the vacuum cleaner quickly. Okay guys, mind your ears, and I'm going to use a Genesis water vacuum cleaner. Okay, let me carry on. Okay, it looks a little bit better, so we can unscrew that cap or that cover and see if there's a capacitor. Okay, there's some kind of that must be a kind of a relay or something. Okay, let me just investigate a little bit and I bring you back. Okay guys, I think I found the problem. I was looking in this area and I couldn't find anything strange or look like if it burned or smells bad, not inside the cover. And I start looking up in this corner. I guess that is a thermostat or something, and I found this blue cable on the other side. It's hanging on that side, so obviously you can see it was burnt. So let me remove that thing, whatever it is. Hopefully I can get it loose. And then we'll see what it is. Maybe that's the capacitor. Okay, I had to remove this front panel from this side, and it is the thermostat. So I can unscrew it there. Okay guys, I found the problem. Did you see that little glass there? I found it right there in the corner. Okay, so it's a It's like a bulb. It's like a glass. So that put me on a trail, and I take this cover, this one, and I turned it over, and look there. So what actually happened is this is a bulb. There used to be a little orange light. It probably still lie in the house, so I'll look for that. So for some reason this light short out somewhere, or it blow with a very hard noise. So as far as I'm concerned, it's only a light, and if I cut off the wires, ensure that it doesn't touch somewhere it's supposed to run, because I immediately switch it off. So I think that's what I'm going to do, and there's no further problems here, there's no problems there. I could not find anything, and so I think I'm going to test it. Okay guys, there's the two wires of the light, and everything is just hanging and sitting as is. So the switch is behind me. I'm going to put it on. Something maybe happen, or it damaged something in the process that it will not run. So let's try, or another bang. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear? It's running. Let's give it a little time and see in the inside how it freezes. It's running and very silent. I can feel it. And this fridge never gave us problems. This is the first time, and it works very good. Okay guys, you have to trust me. I can feel the cold already. Maybe you can hear it as well. So it's working. And here you can see where the light exploded. I just want to focus. You can see on the sleeving where it exploded, and it blew the lamp out. So the problem was inside the sleeving, if you ask me. Okay guys, I think I call it a success. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the two wires through that hole to the outside, put some tape on, and get a little light and solder it on, and put everything back together, and there's nothing more to prove. It works, everything is well. Okay gents, thanks for watching and ranging with me on this old KIC fridge, and I see it is a Samsung make, the pump itself. Okay gents, see you on the next one, and hope you enjoyed it.